So Karen, I understand there's different kinds of loans required for different types of properties, and I'm interested in possibly buying a investment property. And I haven't decided, single family, a resort property that I can use part of the time and rent out, or possibly a multifamily property. What's different in that process?
The requirements for an investment property will pay a higher down payment. Usually the loan to value has to be 25%. And then based on the property, the requirements will be how much of also income that you can get from it, which would show on your income tax returns. You will still be required to qualify for the loan with all of your other liabilities and the investment property.
So you still have to make the payment without the income?
Yes.
Okay.
That's good information. Let's ask a question about getting 100% financing. Are there loans out there that you can do 100% financing for, and what credit score do you need to be able to qualify for that?
There are several loans that you can get a 100% financing, Utah Housing, where they can do a first and a second together, and your credit scores need to be in the 500s and can be higher. The better your credit scores are, the better interest rate and everything you will get. But there are programs like that. And then the USDA can also be 100% financing, which is rural property.
And then isn't there also 100% financing for VA loans?
Oh, yes. Pardon me. There is a VA loan. I just assume that one's always 100% financing, but the VA loan is 100% financing.
So we were talking earlier about investment properties. Is it possible to use a FHA or VA loan to do a multifamily, like a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, if you live in one of the units?
Yes, you can.
So you could do 100% financing on a VA loan if your ratios were worked for the payment in order to be able to purchase a fourplex if you lived in one of the units.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's a great option for building your, legacy down the road is to use that VA loan to do that. Thanks so much for answering our questions today.